Greetings, fellow self-upgraders. Welcome back to the Self-Upgrade Zone, your go-to destination for unlocking the secrets to a better, more empowered life. Today, we're embarking on a journey to financial freedom using the 50-30-20 rule. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's set the stage by exploring the fascinating origins of this rule, a blueprint designed to transform your relationship with money. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a set of percentages. It's a financial philosophy that emerged from the minds of Senator Elizabeth Warren and her daughter Amelia Warren. Picture this: a world where personal finance isn't a complex puzzle, but a well-defined path toward balance and prosperity. Senator Warren, renowned for her dedication to consumer protection and economic equity, recognized the need for a guiding principle accessible to everyone, regardless of financial expertise. The result? Well, the 50-30-20 rule, unveiled in their book, All You're Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. It's more than just numbers on a page. It's a philosophy crafted to empower individuals in taking charge of their financial destiny. The core of the 50-30-20 rule lies in its simplicity and universality. It's not merely about budgeting. It's about creating a financial symphony where 50% of your income caters to essential needs, 30% indulges your wants, and 20% is wisely stashed away for savings or debt repayment. Now, armed with the knowledge of its origins, let's unravel the 15 steps to financial freedom using the 50-30-20 rule. Step 1. Get familiar with the rule. You have to get familiar with the 50-30-20 rule. This foundational step is about understanding the rule's magic, allocating 50% of your income to essential needs, 30% to personal wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you toward a balanced and purposeful use of your income. Track your spending. Keep tabs on your spending. Utilize budgeting tools or apps to scrutinize where every dollar is going. This step is like turning on the lights in a room. It helps you see your financial landscape clearly. Knowing your spending patterns empowers you to make informed decisions about where adjustments can be made. Make a money plan. You know how the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Craft a money plan. Building on the insights gained from tracking your spending, create a simple budget aligned with the 50-30-20 rule. This plan serves as your financial roadmap, directing your money toward needs, wants, and savings with purpose and intention. It's like having a game plan for your financial journey. Trim extra expenses. Trim unnecessary expenses. Dive deep into your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your well-being. This step is akin to decluttering your financial space. By letting go of excess expenses, you create more room for your financial goals to flourish. Be wise with cash. You gotta be wise with cash. Consider using physical money for your day-to-day transactions. Having tangible cash can make your spending more tangible, like having a little financial superhero in your wallet, helping you stay mindful of your expenditures. Knock out debts. Erase those debts. Dedicate a portion of your 20% savings to paying off debts. This is a transformative step, liberating you from the burden of financial stress. Picture it as breaking free from heavy chains and embracing newfound financial freedom. Set clear money goals. Make sure to have some clear money goals. Create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives for your finances. These goals become your guiding stars, giving your money a purpose and direction. It's like setting sail with a well-defined destination. Build an emergency fund. And self-upgraders, this one is really crucial. Allocate a portion of your 20% to savings for unexpected situations. This is like creating a financial safety net, ensuring you're prepared for unforeseen challenges without derailing your progress. Review your plan. Review your plan regularly. Your financial journey is dynamic, and so should be your plan. Regular reviews allow you to adapt to changes, ensuring your financial compass is always pointing in the right direction. It's like fine-tuning your financial strategy to stay on course. Celebrate victories. Every now and then, we all need to take a little break, right? Every financial win, whether big or small, deserves recognition. Celebrating your achievements is like acknowledging the progress you've made on your financial journey. It fuels motivation and keeps you excited about pursuing your goals. Boost your income. Explore additional ways to earn money, whether through a side gig, investments, or other opportunities. This step is like giving your money team a power-up, creating more resources to allocate towards your financial goals. Save automatically. Set up automated transfers to your savings account. This is like putting your money on autopilot, ensuring consistent savings without the need for constant manual intervention. It cultivates a habit of saving effortlessly. Learn about money. Delve into financial education to understand the intricacies of managing your finances. Knowledge is like a superpower. It equips you to make informed decisions, navigate financial challenges, and seize opportunities. Diversify your investments. Spread your investment portfolio across different assets to mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. This is like building a team of reliable financial allies, each contributing to the stability and growth of your financial future. And last, but definitely not least, think about the future. Consider how your present financial choices impact your long-term goals. It's like planting seeds today for a prosperous financial garden tomorrow. This step emphasizes the importance of building a sustainable and secure financial future. So, that wraps up our journey through the 15 steps to financial freedom, all connected to the 50-30-20 rule and shaped by the smart ideas of Senator Elizabeth Warren and her daughter Amelia Warren. From keeping an eye on spending to setting clear money goals, each step is like a piece of a puzzle that builds your financial picture. If any of these steps made you think, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple and helpful tools from the Self-Upgrade Zone. We're here to make your life better. Let us know what you're thinking in the comments. What step are you going to try first? Your thoughts matter, and they might help someone else too. Remember, self-upgraders, making yourself better means making your life better. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Until next time, take care, my friends.